Yoga for daily life. Here are some yoga poses and their benefits to be followed in our routine life to maintain a healthy body. 1. Meditation. Find a calm place for doing meditation. First close your eyes, then inhale and exhale the fresh air freely. It also reduces stress and promote emotional health. It also reduces blood pressure. It helps in controlling pain in the body. 2. Padmasana, lotus pose. Lotus pose keeps your spine straight and develop good posture to your body. 3. Dandasana, staff pose. Staff pose calms down brain cells. It also stretches shoulder and chest. 4. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Cobra pose tones your shoulder. It also reduces stress and fatigue in the body. 5. Vrikasana, tree pose. Tree pose improves concentration power. And also it improves balance and opens the hips. 6. Virabhadasana, warrior three pose. The warrior pose maintain full body coordination and improve balance in the body. 7. Bakasana, crow pose. The crow yoga pose strengthens the wrists, forearms and abdomen. It also stretches the hamstring. 8. Natarajasana, dancer pose. Dancer pose strengthens and stretches ankles, thighs, and chest. It also improves balance to the body. It also assists in losing weight. 9. Navasana, boat pose. This pose strengthens spine and hips. It also aids in stress relief. 10. Salambasarvangasana, shoulder stand pose. It improves digestion. Shoulder stand pose reduces fatigue and alleviates insomnia. It also stretches the shoulder and neck.
Hope you viewers enjoyed this video. If you like Minuscule Stories videos, subscribe my channel to see next video updates. If you have any feedback, suggestions or reviews, please comment me in comment section and give thumbs up.